then good. Only the motto should be there like be happy, live happily, and let others be happy. Yeah, don't
Yeah.
disturb others. Yeah.
That if suppose they want to live alone, so if there is baby like my daughter, so they can think that their baby are very small, I have to do more work of her, but they are very, I think 12 or 13 years, so they have to not do more work. Then
Yeah.
also people are not get
Yes.
ready.
Yes. Yes. It happens. Okay. These are the issues of each and every families. What can we do? Okay, let
Yes.
it be. I think that we shouldn't go deep into others' thinking and others, mentality. I think we should work on ourselves. Okay. Good
Okay, so
afternoon.
first of all, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm pretty fine. And after meeting a long period of time, I'm feeling I'm over the moon. Yeah.
Yes, we are talking after long time. I was thinking to talk to you before some days, but suddenly I did not get you online. That's why I was
Hmm.
not able.
Yeah,
Yes,
it
because
happens.
you are busy. I teach tuition also, yes?
Of course, yeah, I remain very busy, so most of the time, like I have, 15 minutes time or 20 minutes time. So I just send messages that who is free, and if there is not free, so I can't connect after 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yes, I also, I am not taking daily session.
Mm,
Sometime I am taking session day after 2 days because, because of my daughter, I do not get time. Whenever she sleeps, then I take session. Now she is playing with toys. Then I am taking session.
okay. Yeah, this is the problem of homemakers. Yeah, we can understand.
Yes, and now,
Okay.
weather is
Mm,
cold, not too much cold. You know that January is around the corner, but winter are not coming properly.
yes, yes, yes. I was thinking we were discussing at our home like last year. This time we had too much cold season, but now we are not feeling just like that. Yeah. But it's
Yes.
good, It's enough because we
It,
can handle easily all the things. Otherwise, it's very challenging to survive in winter season when it's too chilly.
okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. So do you have any topic for discussion?
I don't have any topic, but I didn't ask you that. How are you?
I am good. And you know that nowadays I am not getting too much time I am not consistent, I can say.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes I'm doing practice. If I don't have any partner, I practice like I make video. Whatever I listen from audios, I record that. It is
Yeah, yeah.
happening with me.
No issue. What can we do? Because everyone has different schedule and different work time. So that's why. And you have, very little baby. This is your problem. That's why you are not getting
I'm
time.
living in joint family as well. I
Yeah.
told you, I think that I lost my sister-in-law also.
You told me.
Children.
Yes, yes. I can understand.
I about his marriage
Mm,
because
yes.
that it is very necessary and he is like only 35 years.
Yes.
Very thinking that
Yes, it
now
happens.
if then that any woman is alone, they want alone. They don't like to accept babies, other babies. If
Yeah.
they are alone, they want alone person.
Mm, yeah, every person has, different mentality. What can we do? We have
Yeah.
different thinking and they have different. But I think, people should be happy. Like even if you are happy with your family or you want this, then good. If you don't want, then good. Only the motto should be there like be happy, live happily, and let others be happy. Yeah, don't
Yeah.
disturb others. Yeah.
That if suppose they want to live alone, so if there is baby like my daughter, so they can think that their baby are very small, I have to do more work of her, but they are very, I think 12 or 13 years, so they have to not do more work. Then
Yeah.
also people are not get
Yes.
ready.
Yes. Yes. It happens. Okay. These are the issues of each and every families. What can we do? Okay, let
Yes.
it be. I think that we shouldn't go deep into others' thinking and others, mentality. I think we should work on ourselves. We should think about our life. How can we pass it, in a very productive way and in a very good way? So we should think a lot about ourselves. I
Yes,
have felt
you're
that
right.
why people are so much nervous and they remain very in a pathetic situation. They always find themselves uncomfortable because they think a lot about others, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
they
yes.
always get suffocated and they make their life complicated. So I think that if you're thinking about yourself, like how should you pass your life in a perfect way and how should you treat others, so this is how you can live your life with satisfaction and happily. So
Yes,
I do
you're
this,
right.
and I recommend all the person that just find out your mistakes and improve yourself, and we can't
Yeah.
change others. First we need to change ourselves. Yeah.
Yes, we have to think positive, not negative.
Mm.
Always
Yeah.
think positive.
Mm.
Nowadays I'm thinking that I should upload videos, and before some days I was not uploading daily video. But now I am trying after one day because I
Mm.
don't have that much time that I can upload daily videos. After
Mm.
one, I have seen that the people are watching conversation videos more
Yeah.
than like a single video, solo video.
Mm.
Yes,
Solo videos,
I
yes, it was. Yeah, it happened with me also when I started my YouTube channel and I used to upload solo videos. So I was not getting good views. But that's why, I changed my motto and I started working on myself because I was not also fluent in English. So I started uploading conversational videos. So yes, I found on my channel that yes, there was some changement. So
yes,
according to the subscriber and what a subscriber want, according to their mood, we have to upload videos. We can't just deliver all the things like I like this, but subscribers need is different. So I think
yes, yes,
we should put on the things like whatever our subscriber need and they want. So this would be good for them because we are working for others. Like I'm talking to you, so definitely I want that as well as I am improving, so others should get benefit. Yeah.
yes. And before one year, the people were not aware about this Skype app. And
Yes.
there were very less people those were aware about this. And that time people were getting good views. Yes, I saw that. But
Absolutely.
nowadays, all people are aware about this app. Yes,
Mm.
people are using this. So that's
Yes.
why if
Yes.
you scroll videos, you will get conversation videos more.
Hmm. And one thing I would like to share here that when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know about Skype, so I never thought about it that one day I would record video and I would upload. You know, so what happened that when I started knowing all the things like how to record video, how to upload. So just not only I started learning English for myself, I just started uploading video on YouTube. So it is happening with all the learners. I have seen that they were all the viewers and they wanted to watch conversation videos, and now they have started uploading those conversational videos on YouTube.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I have.
So I think this is the main problem and issue nowadays. Like if everyone is YouTuber, so who would watch, whose videos? So
Yes, yes,
everyone
yes.
is like, upload video, record video, and they all have their own channel and they are uploading videos. So there are unlimited conversational videos nowadays, and so you can't say that who is the top and who is low. Everyone is YouTuber on Skype, maybe.
Yes,
Whenever I
yes.
connect
Most
with
of
anyone,
them
I
have
say that, what do you do? They say that I have my channel, so I want to upload. I say that, okay, you can also upload, do it.
it. But with some part we can add it. So
Yes,
it
yes, yes.
is not
Hmm.
like that we should not upload. And nowadays people are just, I learned more things by uploading videos and by opening that YouTube channel. I know that how to edit videos.
Yeah.
When I was not aware about that, what is thumbnail? But now I know thumbnail is a main part of video.
course,
Yes,
yeah. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know about technology, anything I didn't know. Just whatever I learned through my nephew, and he guided me a lot. So that's why I know little bit only, because I also don't have so much time. Like if I want to get more knowledge about technology, so I can get through YouTube. But for it, you have to give time. But because
yes,
of
yes,
lacking of time, I can't. Because watch on YouTube, watch it carefully, like how to apply all these things on my channel and how to grow my channel. So these all things will take time, and I don't have time. That's why I don't think about too much on about YouTube, and I just think that let it be. What is
yes, yes.
happening, everything is good. What can I do if I don't have enough time?
Yes. So I have a one question. I am not getting fluent in my speaking. So what can I do for that?
Hmm. I think you should ask this question to an advanced learner. I am at the same position. So why
Now
you decided to ask me?
you are speaking better than me because of practice. I am not getting more time for practice, and you have the like you are teaching. If we are teaching somewhere, we are teaching to children, so we get more experience.
Yeah, yeah. That's why, whenever Jyoti, someone asks to me that what's your hobby, I always say that teaching is my hobby. Even it is said that hobby is the thing when you do in your leisure time. But in my leisure time also, I would like to teach anybody because I never feel bored while teaching, and even I enjoy my teaching. And one thing I love, like what I get, while teaching, that I get knowledge, because I know that if you have knowledge and you are not teaching somebody, you are not sharing your knowledge with somebody, you will gonna forget very soon you will forget all the things. So I
Yes.
think that it is the part of my learning also, like when I teach somebody, so I am repeating all the things again and again, revising all the things.
Wait just 1 second because she
Okay.
is wasting my lipstick.
Okay.
She took and she is, that she is taking and she is doing like that on blanket she is keeping
It happens,
lipstick.
children always like our makeup kits. Yeah,
Yes.
I
If
have
I
little
apply
children.
any lipstick and anything, so she says, Mama, I will apply.
Yes, 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 it happens. Every children do it, each children.
Yes, she does like
Okay.
this. She is more less than 2 years, then also she does like this.
Yeah, because children like, and she is girl, so girls always like makeup kits, they always want to
Yes.
apply. Hmm.
Yes, and she says, very very clear that Mama, I will मैं अप्लाई करूंगी ये मैं अप्लाई करूंगी सोप अप्लाई
Hmm.
करूंगी क्रीम अप्लाई करूंगी.
Hmm.
Okay, I
Okay.
think more than
uh,
two 12
fi-
12 minutes it is enough. Okay,
yeah,
I
it's
think.
enough, and you can handle your baby.
Yes, bye bye. It was a nice conversation with you. I
Yeah, same
enjoyed
here.
lot.
Okay, bye.
Bye.